Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by assessing the scene. Look at the histogram and meter to find clipping. Set ISO to the lowest practical value because noise destroys detail, then decide whether to change shutter speed or aperture to reach proper exposure. Once done, select a white balance preset or dial a custom Kelvin value to match the light source. This fixes color casts early. Make sure to lock exposure if you plan to recomposition, and move quickly to capture consistent frames. You now shape the light. Place a key light at about 45 degrees for natural modeling, and add a weaker fill to reduce harsh shadows. This gives depth without flattening. Use reflectors to bounce light into shadow areas, or flags and grids to block spill and preserve contrast. If your exposure forces a slow shutter, add an ND filter so you can keep wide apertures for shallow depth of field. Once set, fine-tune distances. Moving a modifier closer softens and increases intensity. You finish by metering and reviewing. Use zebras or the histogram to ensure highlights aren't blown, and confirm skin tones sit where you expect. Shoot RAW so you can recover exposure and refine white balance in post. This preserves dynamic range and color nuance. If you see flicker or sudden color shifts, switch to constant lighting or match all sources to the same Kelvin value, because inconsistent light wrecks continuity. One troubleshooting tip: when colors shift, remeasure white balance on a neutral card and reapply.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.